Alright family, so this is the video of how to install. The first thing is we're going to go to the website. So the website is right here. We're going to click the website, and then we're going to go to the downloads. We're going to scroll down to looking for a specific download, and we're going to look for 3.10. And once we click that, we're going to go to files. We're going to get this one, and it's going to download. It's already downloaded on my side, and then I'm going to go to downloads. So I have it here. So I'm going to open this file, and I have it open, but I'm going to open it again. So once I open it, I'm going to close the other one. Once I open it, I make sure to checkbox this thing, the add Python to path. I'm going to click install, and then it's going to start installing. And allow the specific. It's installing. Alright, so it's going to take a few minutes. Okay. Alright guys, this is the first time, so we're just waiting for it. Just gonna make sure until it finishes if there's anything unexpected uninstalling it, so that we know. But it looks, that's it. Alright, I set up a successful English calls.